Hey there, young tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to unleash your computer's superpower and make it see like a human? You've got this. In this video, we're going to explore the amazing world of machine learning and build a simple image classifier using Teachable Machine. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from data, like a super smart robot that gets better at a task the more it practices. Our first project is to create an image classifier, which is a program that can look at a picture and tell us what's in it. We're going to use Teachable Machine, a free online tool that makes it easy to build machine learning models without writing any code. Here's how to get started. 1. Go to the Teachable Machine website and click on Image Project. 2. Upload some pictures to train your model. For example, pictures of dogs and cats. 3. Teachable Machine will use these pictures to learn what makes a dog and a cat. 4. Once your model is trained, you can test it with new pictures to see if it can correctly identify the objects. Great job! You've just built your first machine learning model. But how does it work under the hood? Think of it like a super organized librarian who keeps track of all the pictures it's seen. When you show it a new picture, it checks the features of that picture, like the shape and color, and matches them to the features it's seen before. This is called pattern recognition, which is a key part of machine learning. Now, let's take it to the next level with a tiny bit of code. We're going to use Python and the scikit-learn library to classify fruits by their color and size. Don't worry if you've never coded before. It's easy and fun. Code from scikit-learn import tree code. Features 140. Read 130. Read 150. Yellow 170. Yellow code. Labels 11112 code. CLF tree. Decision tree classifier. Code. Soft. Features labels. In this example, we're creating a decision tree classifier that looks at the features of each fruit, like its weight and color, and decides which type of fruit it is. You can see how the code is using the features and labels to train the model, just like we did with Teachable Machine. What did we build today? We created a simple image classifier using Teachable Machine and learned how it works under the hood. Then, we used Python and scikit-learn to classify fruits by their color and size. Great job! You now have a basic understanding of machine learning and how to apply it to real-world problems. What to try next? Experiment with different types of machine learning models like speech recognition or natural language processing. Keep exploring, stay curious, and soon you'll be building your own AI projects like a pro. You've got this. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to put your new skills to the test. In this next section, we're going to challenge you to try a few things on your own. Challenge: can you try changing the background color of your program to your favorite color? What about adding a new shape, like a triangle or a circle? See if you can figure out how to make your shape move across the screen when you press a key. Don't worry if you get stuck. We'll be covering more advanced topics in future tutorials. As you start coding, you might run into a few common mistakes. Don't worry, they're easy to fix. One mistake beginners often make is forgetting to close their brackets or parentheses. Make sure to double-check your code to ensure everything is closed properly. Another mistake is using the wrong variable name. Keep track of your variables and make sure you're using the right one in each situation. Now, let's recap what you learned today. Here's a quick summary. You learned the basics of coding, including variables, data types, and basic operators. You learned how to write your first program and run it successfully. You learned how to add shapes and colors to your program. You even got to try a few challenges to test your skills. We're so proud of you for making it this far. What did you build today? We want to see it. Please comment below and tell us about your project. We love seeing what our viewers create. If you like this tutorial and want to learn more, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting a new tutorial in this series soon, and you won't want to miss it. In our next video, we'll be covering more advanced topics, like loops and conditional statements. With these skills, you'll be able to create even more complex and interesting programs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!